Achieve all your goals like buying a house, funding for your child's higher education or marriage, retirement planning, everything with just a 10k SIP, and you can also make 5 crores along with that, from which you can easily withdraw 2.5 lakhs per month when you are retired as SWP. And don't worry, this is not just a clickbait, but I will guide you with a proper step by step explanation and calculation on how you can achieve that. You just need to be patient and disciplined with your investments. But before moving on to the video, do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out these insightful videos. Let's say that you are 30 years of age earning a decent amount of 1 lakh a month and start a SIP of 25k per month. Now 25k, why? Because you are starting at age 30. Let's compare with two examples where person A is starting a SIP of 10k at age 25 with a step up of 10% every year, and a person B who is starting a SIP at age 30 with a 25k SIP with a step up. Because he is starting 5 years later, we are just increasing the SIP amount. Ab dekho, the SIP amount and everything can be modified as per your goals, tenure of investment and other factors. So that depends from person to person. This is just an example through which I am trying to explain you कि कैसे SIP काम करता है and how you can achieve all your goals with just one set of SIP, and you can also generate a regular income from your SIP. Now, at the age of 35, person A will be having a corpus of around 40 lakhs for his house down payment because he started a 10k step up SIP at age 25. तो उसके पास से 10 साल to accumulate the down payment for his house goal. And person B, उसके पास होंगे around 20 lakhs because he started a SIP of 25k at age 30 and only invested for 5 years, and 35 पे उसने भी घर खरीद लिया. But person A didn't withdraw the whole 40 lakhs but only withdraw 35 lakhs, and rest 5 lakhs he kept in the same fund to grow for coming years. Now, one goal is sorted for both person A and person B. Now, when they'll be at age 50, person A के पास होंगे around 2.52 crores with the step up SIP, और जो 5 लाख छोड़े थे उसने at age 35, he just only withdrew 35 lakhs. तो वो हो गए होंगे अराउंड 40 lakhs इन दिस टाइम फ्रेम. तो टोटल उसके पास होंगे अराउंड 2.92 crores, जिसमें से he can redeem 50% for his child's higher education or marriage and stop the SIP. Person B will be having around 3.86 crores, and he can also redeem 50% for his child's higher education or marriage and stop the SIP. Let's assume that both person A and person B are keeping their 50% of the amount in their existing funds without adding any single penny and also stopping their SIP. Then person A will be having a corpus of around 5.91 crores for his retirement, and person B will be having a retirement corpus of 7.81 crores for his retirement, from which person A can easily withdraw around 3 lakhs a month and person B can withdraw 4 lakhs a month. That also they can increase on a yearly basis as per the inflation. So now you have to decide what amount of SIP you want to start with as per your goals and tenure of investment. And if you want to plan specifically as per your goals and tenure of investment, because these varies from person to person, this was just an example on how you can actually invest your money and achieve all your goals. SIP amount and goals differ from person to person. But if you want a specific plan and a roadmap, you can book a one-on-one financial consultation with me, the link to which you will find in the description below, and will also give you the execution platform through which you will be able to execute your investments on MyFund SIP app, and I will be there throughout your investment journey to help you achieve all your goals. That's it for today's video. Till then, bye bye.